Okay, so this was actually like a stall shower, which is completely redone, gone. And then this was where the garden tub was. So the only thing that's the same there is the window and the wall. The wall might have been rebuilt too. And then the water closet's the same except for the, well, no, lighting, flooring. That's a closet there. That's the same. That's just a linen closet, and this is the walk-in closet. New vanity. We actually got that on Amazon. New lighting, new mirrors. The vanity, of course, came with the countertop. This she got separately. That piece of stone. And this we all got from a local tile place in North Carolina. Same with the floor. So that was a double sink area, but had to be a little bit reconfigured just for a little bit different space, if I remember correctly.